Mr. Policeman, are you taking you a poopy? I think he's taking him a poopy. I'm watching the hurricane. What's up, boys? You sumbucks. Welcome back to another video. My name is Zach, if you're new to the channel. And I have a hell of a lot of fun on this here Grom, as you can probably see. So today we're on a mission. I just got my Grom back from the shop. Had the recall work done. And right before I took it in, I started to have some issues with it. Like it was not working, so I was glad that I got that done, but I don't know, it kind of seems like it may still have a little bit of a stutter. See, there it was stuttering. I don't know about this. I don't know if it's a plug or what it is. I was gonna say we're gonna go, we gotta stop at one of those coin machines, turn in a bunch of change, and I was gonna go wash the Grom because it's kind of dirty, but I don't like the way it's running. I don't want to get stranded somewhere, especially down here. Well, I guess we'll continue on and just see what happens. I did overfill it with gas the other day, and it was leaking out the overflow. And I read somewhere that it can get into the charcoal canister and maybe play with it a little, I don't know. So I guess I'll just ride it and see what happens. Anyway, I'm coming in here to Kroger's and I am going to turn in some of this change. I got a whole cup of it in my backpack, and I think I can go in right here. How about this? Alright, let's go see what we can get ourselves into. Looks good to me, boys. Coin must be clean and dry. I want to get cash. 11% fee. Dang, I guess I'll accept it. Alright, let's do it. I also have some in my pocket. Not really sure how much is here, but I'll get rid of it. Goodbye. Your transaction is complete. Have you used Coinstar before? Yes. No thanks. Alright, boys. 1604. Alright, boys, that's done. Got a total of $16. Not even bad. Not even bad. Thomas just replied and said, I don't think you'd want a motorcycle crashing in your vid, just the wheel and then cut before the crash, and that's because I just made a new intro. And I'll take a minute to go ahead and say a big shout out to the Beach Whale on YouTube. I will put up a card right now on the screen. He made that awesome intro for me. And it is amazing, dude. I appreciate it. I laugh every single time I watch it. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Go over to his channel, give him some love, because he is a very talented editor. and I really appreciate him going out of his way to help me out like that. We both agreed that we needed a new intro, and so there it is, guys. So anyway, back, Thomas was saying, he commented on the new intro and he said, would you put me in your intro if I was doing a wheelie on my shadow? And I said, I don't think people would want to. I said, not the wheelie, but maybe the crash right after. I was kind of just joking with him. But, no, man, I am going to leave this intro for quite some time because, like I said, Ethan over there at the Beach Whale channel, he did a hell of a job on that, man, and I just can't thank him enough for that because literally when he sent that to me and I was watching it, I watched it probably 200 times and I had a smile so big the whole time that my face actually was starting to hurt from smiling so much. So I am not going to go ahead and get rid of that anytime soon, man, because that is awesome. It fits me really well because I am just all over the place when it comes to my videos. I mean, I just have a lot of fun, do what I want to do. And yeah, so I am definitely not gonna just put that on for like a little bit. It's gonna be my long-term one. So we're on our way now. We're gonna go get this Grom washed up. I just got it back from the shop and it's dirty, so I want to get it cleaned up. I hope I make it to the station and or to the wash place, and I hope to God I don't break down. But I guess we'll find out. If I do, it'll make a great video for you, me walking the bike all the way freaking back from there. And yeah, we're just out enjoying the day. I'm going to try to get this gas kind of maybe burned through so I can get some fresh in it, see if that maybe is what's going on. I don't know. We'll find out, I guess. We got a car meet, boys. Check it out. We got a car meet. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is crazy. I want to ride my bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bike. God damn! Bye! Oh God, guys. This is too good. Oh, he's got a GoPro. He's got this thing covered in mud. Oh shit. This guy has like a BRZ Subaru and he just took it. He straight took it through a field. Oh my God. Oh my. We made it to the car wash. Working at the car wash. Whoa, that's sketchy. I'm working at the car wash.
You gonna wash your motorcycle?
Yeah.
That's awesome, man.
Yeah.
I had a motorcycle that I never brought it to the car wash though. It's pretty cool.
Yeah. Yep.
You gonna spray it off?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep.
Good drive.
You noticed I put my wallet away there because I wasn't sure what that dude was gonna do. Oh God. Oh shit. Let's get it on soap. Let's see. I don't know what one's soap. Guess we'll go with that one. I don't know. There we are, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. That's the one. That's the one. Oh. That's it. That's all she wrote. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's take her out here and dry her off. Dun 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 dun. Bye. Okay, well, we got the bike washed, so hopefully now she don't die on me. Let's see if anybody wants to get on a call here in the video. Go ahead and start that call up. Pop on my headset here. Turn the Bluetooth on. Put that into pairing mode, and we will see. Let's see if we can get Happy in here. Let's see if we can get Dave in here. Let's get Beach in here. See if anybody will make it.
7 hours later.
Alright, we got Beach listening in over there. Alright, he joined. Oh, damn it, I forgot my kickstand. Son of a bitch. Alright, let's go for a ride. Yeah. Woo! Anyway, guys, on the video, if you don't know about this app, Moto Amino, I highly suggest you check it out. I've said it before and I'll say it again. You meet the best people on this app. I'm not even over exaggerating there. All right, let's go. Put that knee out. Yeah. Somebody be smoking a black and mild cigar. I can smell it in the air. Woo! Get some. Yes, sir. Yeah! Oh, pretty lady. Two pretty ladies talking to each other. That lady's high as fuck. Okay. Well, there's a guy on a scooter. Here we go. Alright, who do I want to pick as my victim? Here we go. Here's somebody walking on the street. Here we go. I'm watching the Hurricane Jerk! Alright, I got another one out here. Let's see who I can pick up next. I want to ride my bicycle, bicycle. Alright, hey, roll down your window. Roll down your window. I got something for you. Hey, hey, hey. You want a card? She's just ignoring me. Alright, on to the next. Hey, have a card. You watch YouTube?
What's that?
You watch YouTube?
Yeah.
I got a channel. I run around and do funny stuff. Check it out. I love screeching that tire. Hey, you want a card? You want a card, buddy? Nope. Okay, not wasting it. Yeah! Woo! 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 Yeah! Alright, I'm gonna put my card where it actually belongs, right here in this dumpster. Here you go. Alright, I'm gonna leave my card right here on this table. Alright, let's see. Alright, I'm gonna put one on this gas pump. Let's see. Perfect. Work here. What if I don't want to work here? Okay? Don't tell me what to do, you damn sign. Shit. Alright, I left a card on that guy's bike. On to the next. Well, boys, I think that's going to go ahead and do it for this video. I appreciate the boys on Moto Amino that jumped in here on the call. They made this a hell of a fun ride. As I said at the beginning of the video, big shout out to my buddy Ethan over on Moto Amino. You'll know him on YouTube as the Beach Whale. There's going to be a link down below to subscribe to his channel. And a guy named Happy, or they call me Happy, I don't know what he goes by, but I just know him as Happy. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link to his thing too, because he's in my ear right here on this Bluetooth, making me have a good time. So go check him out. And Dave, I don't know where the hell he's at. He don't have a channel, but we'll give him a shout out anyway. As always, guys, leave me a like, subscribe if you want to see more. Don't judge me too hard, I'm just a local idiot. And until next time, peace!